Greetings everyone, my name is Mr. Usiphatheleni Khanyile, aka Awema. I'm an education change maker. I teach at Sibusisiwe Comprehensive Technical High School, which is in Umbumbulu under Umlazi district. I've entered the National Teaching Awards in 2023 under the category Excellence in Secondary School Teaching. I don't regret being part of this competition as I've grown professionally. I've learned to have confidence in my teaching strategies, especially the special strategy that I use to teach geography, which is called GeoWema, which is all about teaching geography through music and dance. Music is a very powerful tool and it assists learners to be able to remember and recall the content that we are learning in geography, and it has resulted in very positive outcomes. I've been receiving 100% with several distinctions. So I'm grateful for this opportunity. Thank you very much.